Direct connection technology reinvented. The XPC PCB connector with patented Push-X technology enables you to benefit from fast, tool-free and effortless conductor connection by hand or automated means without changing the device design. When you insert the conductor into the clamping chamber, this actuates the trigger that releases the pre-tension spring. The spring then safely and reliably contacts rigid and flexible conductors with and without ferrules. To open and pre-tension the contact spring again, press the release button until it snaps into place. The sound of the spring being triggered and the button position provide you with feedback regarding the connection status.